Miss Daniels? Is that you?
Yes.
Hello. What's the matter? Is that cut beginning to bother you?
No, it's not the cut that's bothering me.
Would you like some brandy?
Yes, if you have some, I'd like that.
I'll go get it. Please, Miss Daniels, have a seat. Would you like a sweater or something? A quilt?
No, thank you. Will you call me Melanie?
All right. It gets a little cold up here, especially by the bay. Did you meet Lydia? Or would you rather I change the subject?
I think so.
How do you like our little hamlet?
I despise it.
Yes, well, I suppose it doesn't offer much for the casual visitor, unless you're thrilled by shacks on a hillside. It takes some getting used to.
Where are you from originally, Annie?
San Francisco.
How did you come here?
Oh, a friend invited me up one weekend a long time ago. I see no reason for being coy about this. It was Mitch Brenner. I guess you knew that anyway.
I suspected.
Well, you needn't worry. That was over and done with a long time ago.
Annie, there's nothing going on between Mitch and me.
Isn't there? Maybe there isn't. Maybe there's never anything between Mitch and any girl.
What do you mean?
I think I'll have some of that brandy. Mitch and I were seeing a lot of each other in San Francisco, you know. And one weekend he asked me up here to meet Lydia.
When was this?
Oh, about 4 years ago. Of course, this was right after his father died, so things might be much different now.
Different?
With Lydia. Does she seem a trifle distant?
A trifle.
Well, maybe things haven't changed after all. Her attitude used to drive me insane. I couldn't figure it out. I used to go back to San Francisco and spend days wondering what I had done to displease her.
And what had you done?
Nothing. I simply existed. So what's the answer? A jealous woman, right? A clinging, possessive mother? Wrong. With all due respect to Oedipus, it wasn't the case at all.
Then what was it?
Lydia liked me. That was the strange part. In fact, now that I'm no longer a threat, we're good friends.
Then why did she object to you?
She was afraid.
Afraid you'd take Mitch?
Afraid I'd give Mitch.
I don't understand.
Afraid of any woman who'd give Mitch the one thing that Lydia can give him. Love.
Annie, that adds up to a jealous, possessive woman.
No, you see, she wasn't afraid of losing her son. She was afraid of being abandoned.
Someone ought to tell her she'd be getting a daughter.
She already has a daughter.
What about Mitch? Doesn't he have anything to say about that?
I can understand his position. He went through a lot with Lydia when his father died. He didn't want to go through that again.
I see.
So it ended. Not right away, of course, but I went back to San Francisco, and Mitch and I saw each other every once in a while, but we both knew it was over.
And what are you doing here in Bodega Bay?
You just get right to the point, now don't you?
Forgive me, I'm sorry.
I wanted to be near Mitch. I knew it was over, but I still wanted to be near him. The truth is, I like Mitch a hell of a lot. It's rare, but I don't ever want that friendship to end, ever. Hello? I wasn't sleeping. Yes, just a few moments ago. Yes. All right. Hang on just 1 second. It's Mitch. It's for you. He's waiting.
Hello? Yes, this is Melanie. Fine. No trouble at all. I just followed the road. It's a very bright night. Oh, no. You don't have to apologize. I understand. No, I have to be getting back to San Francisco. I see. No, I don't want to disappoint Kathy, but... I see. Well, yes. Yes, I'll see you then. Good night, Mitch. He wants me to go to Kathy's party tomorrow afternoon. I said I would go.
I'm going to help out. Should be fun.
It seems so pointless. I think I'll get some sleep. It's been a busy day. My luggage.
That's pretty. Did you get it at Brinkmeyer's?
Do you think I should go?
That's up to you.
I think it's up to Lydia now, isn't it?
Never mind, Lydia. Do you want to go?
Yes.
Then go.
Thanks, Annie.